So, children, good morning once again. I am your Sharada ma'am to do your moral science class. Let's do a bit of revision of our previous work which we did, that is Moral Science chapter 7, Be Kind. I repeat, it is Moral Science chapter 7, Be Kind. Now I'll start. Being kind means caring for others. Being kind means caring for others. When you care for others, that means you are being kind. When you do something for others, they feel happy. When you do any work for others, something which others need, and you do it, you are kind to them, it makes others happy. There are many ways of showing kindness. There are many sort of ways. There are many ways in which you can show kindness. Now let's see what are the ways. Smiling. Just give a smile to a person you see smiling. Greeting someone. You greet a person. Good morning, ma'am. Hello, how are you? These are the greetings. Helping people in their work. Suppose your mother is there. You're helping your mother, and sharing your food are some ways in which you can show your kindness. If you share food, you can show kindness. Helping your mother, helping people who are needing, helping a person to cross the road. These are the ways of showing kindness. Next, we should not only be kind to human beings, but also to plants and animals. We should also be kind to plants and animals. Now we have a story of a boy whose name is Ambar. So what is the name of the boy? The boy's name is Ambar. So let's see what the story is saying. It was raining heavily. So that was what type of season? It was monsoon season as it was raining heavily. Ambar could not go to school. So why Ambar could not go to school? Ambar could not go to school because it was raining heavily. Later in the evening, he saw water flowing outside the house. Later in the evening, what did Ambar see? Ambar saw water flowing outside his house. So he could not go to school, so he was in his house and it was raining very heavily. Later in the evening, what he saw? He saw that water flowing outside his house. He got an idea. He thought of an idea. Let's see what he did. He made paper boats and floated them in the water. What did Ambar make? Ambar made paper boats. So the boat was made with what thing? The boat was made with paper. What did Ambar do with the boats? Ambar floated them in the water. Ambar floated what? Ambar floated the boats. Where did Ambar float the boat? Ambar floated the boat in the water which was outside his house. He saw water flowing outside his house, so he got an idea. He made paper boats. He made boats that are made of paper and floated them in the water. So he floated them. He watched them sail and enjoyed doing it. He saw nice boats sailing, and he enjoyed seeing it. Suddenly, means all of a sudden, he noticed, he saw, what did he see? He saw lots of ants in the water. He saw there were many ants in the water. Their homes had been washed away and they were in danger since it was raining and the water was floating, and since the water was flowing outside his house, the place was filled with water. So what happened? The ants' house got washed away and they were in danger. Their homes had been washed away. Ants have home, that is inside in the mud, in the soil they have it, and they were in danger. A few of them were trying to climb on the boat, on the floating paper boat. So since Ambar made the paper boats, they were sailing. So what the ants were trying? They were trying to climb on it. Climb on the floating paper boat. Seeing this, Ambar thought if these ants are not taken out of the water, they will all die. So Amba thought that if these ants are not taken out of the water, they will all die. I will help them. I need to help them. I must help them, Amba thought. Then he ran inside. After thinking this, what Amber did? Amber ran inside. He quickly made more paper boats and floated them in the water. He started making more paper boats. Why he did that? To save the ants. Soon many ants climbed onto the paper boats to save themselves. So many ants, they climbed onto the paper boats. Why? To save themselves. They were all getting drowned. So to save themselves, they climbed on the paper boats. However, some ants could not swim and were drowning. Some ants, they could not swim. They were getting drowned. Amber carefully picked them up. He took some water in his palm. How did Amber pick them up? Amber took some water in his hand and found many ants swimming in it. He took little water in his hand and in his palm. He took little water in his palm and found many ants swimming in it. He put them in one of the paper boats. What he did? He took the water in his arm. They were in his palm. He took the water in his palm and there were many ants. So what he did? He put them on one of the boats. Afterwards, he took out all the paper boats and put them in a dry place. So all the paper boats, he took them out and put it in a dry place. The ants came out of the boat and walked away safe. So ants were all saved by Amber, and Amber was very happy to have saved so many ants. Amber was very happy that so many ants are saved. They did not get drowned, neither did they die. So all was safe. This made Amber very happy. It is a kind work that Amber did. So children, this is the story. So we have explained it earlier. Again, I am doing this revision. Now these are the question answers that you have to do in your copy. Write some ways of showing kindness. You write the date, then write question answers and write the question, then do the answer in your copy. That is moral science copy. Write some ways of kindness. There are many ways of showing kindness, such as smiling, greeting someone, helping people in their work, and sharing your food with others. So, if you shared with your food, sharing is also showing a kind act. Why was Amber happy? Amber was happy because he was able to save so many ants. This made Amber very happy because he was a kind boy and he loved to save people when they need. So these were the ants whose house was drowned, whose house were washed away, and the ants were all getting drowned. So Amber saved them. This made Amber feel very happy. What is the moral of the story of Be Kind? The moral of the story Be Kind. Moral of the story Be Kind is be kind to all God's creature. All are God's creature, human beings, plants, animals. This is all made by God. So we must all be kind. This is the moral of the story. You learn this story, make sure you be kind. Okay children, then next see what is given. See, complete the sentence by matching, which is done in your I have done it earlier, that is page 26. Now this activity you must do it. Make some posters of kindness and paste them in your scrapbook. You make some posters of kind act, small pictures, and you paste it in your scrapbook. You have a scrapbook, you paste it. Okay children, till this much for today. Do your work, do this moral science, read it nicely, practice reading. Okay children, till then, bye. Have a nice time.